I'm glad to hear you're happy with the content. Regarding your question, moving USDT from your OKX wallet to Binance is relatively straightforward, but I'll walk you through the steps for clarity. It's great that you have your seed phrase, as that will help in case you need to recover your wallet. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Log into your Binance account up in your Binance app or website and log into your account. 2. Find your USDT deposit address on Binance logged in. Navigate to Wallet, often found at the top menu. Click Deposit to bring up the deposit options. Select USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Choose the correct network for USDT, e.g. ERC-20, TRC-20, or BEP-20. Make sure you select the same network that your USDT is currently on in your OKX wallet to avoid losing funds. Copy the deposit address provided. This address is where you'll send your USDT from OKX. 3. Access your OKX wallet. Open your OKX wallet and ensure that you are logged in. Go to your Assets or Wallet tab where you hold your USDT. Find USDT in your wallet and click on Send. 4. Transfer USDT to Binance. Paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier into the recipient address field in your OKX wallet. Choose the correct network, again ERC-20, TRC-20, or BEP-20 that matches your Binance deposit network. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Double-check all the details, especially the address and network, to ensure accuracy. Confirm the transaction and, if necessary, complete any additional security checks like FA or email confirmation. 5. Wait for the transfer to complete, ending on the network. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to a bit longer. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your USDT will appear in your Binance wallet. 6. Check your Binance wallet after the transfer is complete. You can check your Binance wallet to confirm that the USDT has arrived. Important tips. Double-check the network. Always use the same network for both sending and receiving. For example, if you're using TRC-20 on OKX, you must select TRC-20 as the network on Binance. Transaction fees. Keep in mind that sending USDT, especially on networks like ERC-20, may incur a transaction fee, so ensure you have enough funds to cover it. Security. Make sure you're using official websites and apps to avoid phishing attacks. Always double-check the deposit address.